Hey everyone, welcome to my Learn 3D in 30 Days challenge. My name is Tracy, and I'm going to be your 3D guide over the next 30 days. This is the video for day one of the challenge, and I thought it would be good to introduce myself and my goal for this project. I started this challenge because 3D modeling has been something that I've always wanted to learn, but that I always put off till later. I have about 10 years of experience with 3D texturing and some animation for avatars using Poser. But I really need that 3D modeling experience to take me to the next level. I found that the best way for me to learn something is to actually teach it, and so here I am. This is my first time ever making a video tutorial, and so I'm also learning a lot about video capturing and video editing at the same time. Now, when I look at starting up a business of any kind, I always look for the least overhead cost, and that usually means free or very little startup capital. I am working on a budget of no budget, where the greatest investment is my time and energy. The tools are out there for all self-starters to make it happen, and hopefully this tutorial series will inspire you. You can find all my research and information on my website, learn3din30days.com. So in this series, I'm going to first focus on 3D modeling for games, because they are less complicated and can quickly be tested with software, which in my case will be for the Unity 3D game engine. Once I have that down, I'll start testing for 3D printing. I do have access to 3D printers, but they are off-site, and so I don't want to invest in a 3D printing machine unless I know for certain that I'm willing to make it a profitable business. The first thing we're going to need is software. After a quick search on the internet, I found a blog written by Fabian called iMaterialize, who has already done the research to find out which software is the most popular for 3D printing. Blender comes up as the number one on the list, but SketchUp is a close second because it's a lot easier to use. Blender is completely free, so my game plan is to learn SketchUp to the extent of its freeness, and then pick up Blender afterwards. My hope is that it will be a lot easier to learn after SketchUp, without its limitations. So if you want to follow along with me on this 30-day challenge, please click on this link to download a copy of SketchUp. I will be starting day 2 with a basic SketchUp tutorial. Once you click on the link to download SketchUp, you'll be asked to select what you're going to use it for. And we are going to be using it for educational use. If you want, you can write you're a student for learn3din30days.com. Make sure to download the product SketchUp Make and then click download. Once you're downloading, you will see this page here. If there's anything you'd like to see me work on specifically, please be sure to leave a comment down below. I can't wait to see which direction this 30-day challenge will take. I'll see you on day 2.